Here's how it's done.
So this is a 4.5 inch by 20 picket. This is actually a $3 cedar picket that we cut down to make our signs. Because there's 2 lines of lettering on here, you want even spacing on the top and bottom, and you want to make sure to leave enough space in between the letters so you can go around them with a profile bit, because these letters are going to be outset. Once it's all spaced out right, then you spray it with your black primer and you're ready to carve. For the real small detailed area, Dad's using the carving liner. And this is the only thing you want to do with this, is the small details, because this thing cuts really fine, but it will dull fast. Once that's all done, now Dad's going to use a profile bit. He's going to go over the entire thing and make sure to give himself enough space to get in there with his 90 degree. He's doing the same thing here on the letters. Now, like I said before, these are outset, so Dad's actually carving around the letters. If they were inset, then Dad would carve the letters themselves. We're going to put a nice big cloud background around this, so you have plenty of room for error with outset. It doesn't have to be perfect on your first cut, so you can make multiple cuts like you'll see Dad do here, and he can work his way into that line instead of trying to get it perfect on the first cut. Now he's using the 90 degree bit, and what he's doing is he's making what we call the cloud, which is basically just a shape around everything that's going to be outset, and then he's going to carve out everything inside that shape. So it gives it a really cool textured background when it's all said and done. And he's going to use that same bit to carve out all the extra wood inside the Bigfoot. Then he's going to use our 45 degree chamfer bit and give it a really deep bevel on the edge and spray it with the black primer. Once that dries, he's going to use an 80 grit disc on the disc sander and then a 120 grit disc on the random orbital to get all of the black off of there. Once that's done, he's just going to use a little red Sharpie to color in the heart on the Bigfoot, throw some clear on it, and you're ready to go.
So everything we used today is over at our website, makeawoodsign.com. Go check it out.